Here hedge formation we made for this with this orthosiphon. Then so every day almost you'll have flowers for a long time. This this orthosiphon with the big whiskers. You can go on trimming them and they will continuously flower around the year actually. And it doesn't get any disease proof. This Cistacia gangetica can be added in group formation in many places in the garden. This one. This also doesn't get any disease, flowers round the year, and it's edible also. Then there are actually two species of this this gangetica. Not two, we have 4 or 5. One more I'll show now. That is, I think it's called Cistacia variabilis or something like that. It has smaller flowers, and then it's a good ground crop cover also. This one, this is the smaller Cistacia. This is very common in the Western Ghats, foothills and all, and Karavali region. It's a weedy plant, and then it is much hardier than the other Cistacia, and then it can occupy the ground also. If you step on it and all, it will shrink a little bit and can form a ground cover, but flower is much smaller and miniature. This one is also a Cistacia, only one more. Then one of the, this one also is flowering, that is that antidesma. We have, I think 4 or 5 antidesma are there. All have very nice flowers, and they do well in outside the traditional area also. So that is there. Then this is also one of the little bit rare desmodium only. This one, desmodium somplexum or something name is there. That I'll write the details. This is one of the rarer desmodium. Location is not good, so it is not. It is still alive anyway. That one. Then this one's life is over for this year, so it has fallen down, and the root will be there in the summer. Once again, next summer the new crop will come. This also can be added everywhere in the garden. It's the hardiest of the andrographis. This one, Andrographis paniculata. So many things are flowering today. And then why I started this video was to cover one of the desmodium. Experts are saying it is Desmodium gangeticum only, but it is much bigger than the usual Desmodium gangeticum. So my own feeling is this is some other species, but nobody gave correct ID. Everyone said gangeticum only. This one, it is some 10-12 feet, it's taller than me. And in the gardens, it's better to tie some red ribbon like this on the important plants, so that people who don't know much can newcomers to garden and all won't destroy them for one reason or other. So this one I will be doing now next video. Quite a tall plant.